India Today reported just how a local Bajrang Dal leader was arrested after a video showed the activists of the right-wing group training with weapons that also led to a police case being filed. Now another self-defense camp has come to light, and this time it's the women wing of the VHP, or the Durga Vahini, training women activists to combat issues like rape, eve teasing and, more importantly, love jihad. These camps have been set up in Varanasi, training girls and women with weapons like air rifles, sticks and karate lessons. The VHP officer bearers justify the camp as being absolutely necessary for the security of women. The camp, which began on the 24th of May, will conclude today. Okay, so Brijesh Pandey now joins us to tell us a little bit more about these kind of training camps that have been organized. First it was Faizabad, then it was Noida, now Varanasi. Brijesh, one only wonders, why has the Bajrang Dal and the VHP taken upon this task upon themselves, to organize these self-defense camps?
Well, Avantika, I think, as you will go nearer to the elections in Uttar Pradesh, these kinds of camps will sprout all over UP, because, the underlying messages, the word messages, as you just heard, saying that we want to provide self-defense training to women to deal themselves with issues like, rape, eve teasing. But the bigger project for them is how to stop the issue of love jihad. So as you go nearer to the elections, these kinds of trainings and these kind of camps will be organized more, because people say that it is in a way to polarize and to awaken to polarize the Hindu community, and then also apprising them of the kind of threat they feel from some other community. So it has more to do with election rather than anything else, and this is the reason why in the last fortnight, when the elections in Uttar Pradesh is less than a year, almost a year away, we have seen a sprouting up of these self-defense camps all over Uttar Pradesh.
Absolutely. But the training camp, the commando-style training camp that was organized in Uttar Pradesh by the Bajrang Dal had courted a huge controversy. And now we are getting to see, a training camp for women that is being organized. So obviously the message is not really clear, and these camps will continue to exist.
Well, yes, these camps will continue till, because if you clamp down, if the society authorities clamp down it, then they will cry themselves as victim, as somebody, people who don't want the Hindus to learn self-defense.
Okay, Brijesh, if I may just interrupt you, my apologies for that. But we have, CP Rai from the Samajwadi Party who's joining us now on the phone line. Mr. Rai, how do you respond? First, we had, these commando-style training camps being organized in Uttar Pradesh. Now we have the Durga Vahini, this camp that is being organized to, give self-defense techniques to women. Why are these camps being allowed in the state?
देखिए, ये कैंप छुप के लगाए जाते हैं, इट्स नॉट ओपन। ये आप लोग बाद में जब बताते हैं तो पता लगता है कैंप लग गया, और ये कायरों की फौज है। हमने आज तक कभी नहीं सुना कि आरएसएस, दुर्गा वाहिनी, बजरंग दल के आदमी ने जब उसके पड़ोस में कोई बच्चा उठाया गया हो, किसी के ऊपर हमला हुआ हो, कहीं डकैती पड़ी हो, तो आज तक किसी का मुकाबला किया हो। ये कायरों की फौज है, और कायर लोग जो होते हैं वो ताकत दिखाने के लिए इस तरह के काम करते हैं। और बिला वजह इस देश को, मोदी जी ने कहा था कि ये केरल सोमालिया है। वो तो सोमालिया नहीं था, बल्कि पूरे देश को सोमालिया में बदलने के लिए कि कौमें झगड़ा करे और अंत में गिद्ध देख रहा हो कि बच्चा कैसे मरेगा और कब मरेगा, वैसा माहौल बनाने के लिए ये लोग इस तरह की चीजें कर रहे हैं, जिसका लोकतंत्र में कोई जगह नहीं है, इसकी हिंदुस्तान में कोई जगह नहीं है। और ये अगर इस तरह के रास्ते पर कहीं भी चलने की कोशिश करेंगे, विशेष तौर पर उत्तर प्रदेश में, तो कानून अपना काम करेगा।
All right, कानून अपना काम करेगा. Mr. Rai, stay with me. We also have Mr. IP Singh now joining us on the phone line. Sir, thank you so much for your time. Why is it that the Bajrang Dal and the BJP are, taking it upon themselves to organize these self-defense camps? I mean, women can be given these kind of training by other means as well. Why now are we seeing these commando-style training camps being organized in various parts of the state? Mr. IP Singh?
You just asking me this question.
Yes.
Definitely self-defense camps in if we are just holding Varanasi or throughout the country, it must be go ahead. But Mr. Rai, who is a spokesperson of Samajwadi Party, and he's just abusing entire the women community or the females. I think this is not a right way and should not be communalized on that way.
All right, Mr. Singh and Mr. Rai, thank you so much for your time. We, of course, will get back and try and get more reactions on the self-defense camps that seem to be coming up in various places in the state of Uttar Pradesh just ahead of the assembly elections.